Namaste everyone. I'm Ashok Mrityunjaya, President Bellandur from Aam Aadmi Party. I have Renuka ma'am with me. She is the former secretary in Cabinet Secretariat. Today we are going to talk about the process of BESCOM name and address change, which is needed for all the apartments and individual houses. Whenever they buy an flat in an apartment and they want to convert it, there is a difficult process which is being set up, and how the system is set up in a way that people are tend to go for a agent who ask for money to transfer the name and address proof. So we're going to talk about it. In this process, the need is the owner of the apartment is supposed to get their name and address changed in the BESCOM meters, right? So let's say I went to an apartment, I bought a plot, I'm staying there, right? The BESCOM name would be in the builder's name. So I need to get the transfer to my name and start paying the electricity bill, right? So that process is simple, right? You just have to go to a BESCOM website. Online there is an option called name change. You have to fill your form, submit it, and then go to BESCOM office, get into an agreement on the AEH system, submit it, pay the normal fee of 105 or whatever the BESCOM charges, get it transferred. The process is simple and takes 3 days. However, lack of awareness of the system and the agents involved in it, they make things complicated and ensure that they collect a payment of 3,000 rupee for a meter transfer. Ideally, the process is simple, right? You just have to have your no objection certificate from your previous owner. It could be a builder, it could be any owner, and you need to have a sale date to prove that the flat is in your name, right? Then an ID proof to show that you're the person on whom the name should be transferred, plus any electricity bill payment receipt to show that you have paid the previous electricity bills. This is the basic thing which is needed to make sure that the BESCOM meters are transferred. But today what's happening, I can quote an example of Marathalli office wherein some of the temporary guys sitting inside the Marathalli BESCOM office are running a bribery channel, I can say, wherein they reach out to all these apartment folks. They collect 3,000 rupee per flat and get the meter transferred to their name, right? So this is completely an illegal thing, and it's completely corrupt practice which is being followed by the agents. What we have done, we have raised an issue with the MD of BESCOM highlighting this issue, and MD of BESCOM have promised us that they would take strict action against the person who is doing this bribery, and they have removed the person who was in charge of it. He was a temporary agent. He was removed, and he has assured that going forward in all this area, in Bellandur area, wherever the name transfer happens, they will make it a transparent process. They will supervise for a certain period of time to ensure that whatever BESCOM applications are coming in, it is processed on time, and the bribery is completely removed, right? The other thing is we have also requested the MD of BESCOM to put in a process of removal of the AEH agreement, with which what will happen, people sitting at home can easily transfer their BESCOM meter into their name without visiting the BESCOM offices. The moment you visit BESCOM office, you will be lured by agents who will ask you for a bribe, who will say that the process is complicated. They'll make sure you roam into the office 2 to 3 times. So if it is a complete online process, we will definitely not have to visit anywhere, and sitting at your home, you can get your BESCOM name transfer, right? And MD has assured that he will work on it to make sure this agreement things are sorted out, right? My request to all the people in Bellandur, right? Whenever you want to you change your BESCOM meter name, right? File an online process, right? Speak to a AE, executive engineer of BESCOM, right? If the transfer do not happen, right, please let us know. We will fight for you. We will speak to the MD of the BESCOM. We will make sure that without paying a single bribe and by paying the normal processing charges legally, we will get your BESCOM name transferred to your name, right? Please, I would request everyone not to pay bribe for this small thing. Don't get carried away by the electrical contractors who say the process is so complex you can't do it. Right? Let me know. My number is 63635 I'll repeat my number 63635 You can directly reach out to me wherever you've been asked to pay a bribe in Bescom. We will make sure that without paying a single rupee as a bribe, we will get your name transferred, provided it is a legal thing, right? We don't support any illegal activity. If you are the legal owner of the house and if you have all the documents with you, we will make sure that we get the beta name transfer. One important thing what you have to notice, in order to transfer the name, we need to have an NOC from your previous owner, right? I would kindly request everyone to get their NOC, right, and make sure the documents are uploaded into the portal and submitted. You can give us the acknowledgement number. We will fight for your right with Bescom and make sure that the Bescom meter name is transferred. I would invite Renuka ma'am to talk about this Bescom meter in detail.
Thank you, Ashok. You have covered all the points. I would only like to say just a few things. One is about corruption. Please don't think that there is no option to corruption. There is an option to corruption. We have a government which is providing an option to corruption. The Aam Aadmi Paksha government is providing and has provided, and it makes a tremendous difference to your life. The systems are all working first. Second, corruption happens only because information is kept from us. Everything is hidden. People are, and then second, officers are not available, or they don't help you, or they are not friendly. Then there is an opportunity for corruption. So when there is no information, when there is this opportunity for corruption, then we are all defeated, we are all worried. But just remember that in government, there are actually methods for fighting corruption. So if there is something which you find out, you can, if you want to do it alone, or do it with your friends, do it all together. You can talk immediately to the concerned person who is above that person, who is in charge of the office where all this is happening. And if that person is also not responsive, you can immediately get in touch with the head of the organization and get it done. And this is where Aam Aadmi Party, we are not afraid of any kind of threat, any kind of harassment that is being given to people in any office, because we believe in the citizen.
Anywhere where you have been asked for a bribe, where you have all your documents in India, feel free to reach out to us. Aam Aadmi Party is committed to deliver a bribe-free system in Bangalore, so we will be working towards it. Right? We will put our best effort to make sure that you get your things done without paying a single rupee. Right? Thank you for all your support. Please vote for us, please be with us, please support us in making sure that Bangalore becomes a bribe-free city. Thank you.
Thank you.